Nimehariria mamuthia ma igongona ria gukahurukia Mutigairi Yvonne Wamalwa. Andu a nyumba na arata o hamwe na atongoria a kiuteti magikinya igongona-ini riri kuonania urumwe wao kuri mundu marauga uratungatire bururi uyu erutire. Andu a nyumba ya Yvonne makimugathiriria na gucakaya kurwo ni mundu marendete.
Because in school she was always getting picked on by either small boys or small girls, and she used to run and say, "I'm going to call my brother. You know, my brother will beat you up."
Yvonne was kind to those who ridiculed her, to those who kicked her when she was down. She was dignified in defeat and graceful in victory.
She loved her God, she loved her country, and she loved her family.
Atongoria omwe thutha wa ungi maugite Yvonne arari murata wa aingi na ni mundu ugutura aririkanagwo ni undu wa werutiri wake hari gutungatira muingi.
A very humble and a loving person. So somebody who was very simple, very polite, and very loving.
She served with great distinction as Deputy Director at the Parliamentary and Liaison Directorate of the Ministry, where she ably coordinated engagements between our ministry and Parliament, as well as county governments.
I want to appreciate the role she played in taking care of that national leader, that national hero that we all remember and refer to.
Yvonne arakuire thutha wa ndwari ya cancer kuria arakoretwo akirigitirwo mathibitari-ini matiganite guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi. Mwiri wa Yvonne ugutwarwo mucii kwao Karen mbere ya utwaritwo mwena wa Kitale muthi wa gatano kiumia giki kuria atanyitwo gugathikwo itura-ini ria Milimani, Kitale kaunti ya Trans Nzoia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.